Ever wondered why skyscrapers don't collapse in storms or earthquakes? Key fact 1. Skyscrapers are designed to sway, not stay stiff. Key fact 2. Steel frames plus reinforced concrete act like a flexible skeleton. Key fact 3. Engineers use deep foundations that anchor the building into bedrock. Key fact 4. Wind tunnels are tested before construction to see how much the tower can move safely. For example, Burj Khalifa can sway about 1.5 meters at the top without danger. So, next time you see a skyscraper, remember, it's not unshakable, it's flexible. That's the secret of why it stands tall. Subscribe for more hidden civil engineering secrets in daily life.